Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about the CANTO airdrop, and CANTO airdrop is very important because recently you have seen CANTO being in the news as it was pumping a lot. Whale interest in CANTO is very high. It's one of the most favorite projects of the whales. So it's best to invest some time and learn about how to participate in this airdrop. So to participate in the CANTO airdrop, here are few steps you need to do. First of all, you need to sign up on one of these exchanges and buy some CANTO token. After that, let's go to the screen and see what can you do next. Once you have bought the CANTO tokens, I'll tell you how can you receive these CANTO tokens in your Metamask wallet. So this is my Metamask wallet. As usual, we will be using a brand new wallet, so please do not use your main wallet. So we go to chainlist.org. We have already talked about this website in the previous video. So from here you can add any kind of network to your Metamask wallet. So here we will be using the CANTO network. So we'll search for CANTO. Now we'll connect our wallet here and it will automatically add the CANTO network to our Metamask settings. So once I've done that, we go to Metamask and switch our network to CANTO network. Now we have 0 CANTOs here. Now once you have added CANTO to your Metamask wallet, go to your centralized exchange that we mentioned in the start and buy some CANTO. Buy 10-12 CANTO tokens. I think it will cost you around $5, and then withdraw those tokens to this address. Right? It's a very simple process. We have already made a video on that. So do that and then you will have 10 CANTO tokens in your own wallet. And now let's go to the next step. Now once you have CANTO tokens in your own wallet, go to the canto.io website. I will leave the link to the complete tutorial below. Now go to staking. So to stake your CANTO token, go to all validators. These are some validators that are offering CANTO staking services. So our top 3 validators will just go and stake our CANTO tokens. So I have 10 CANTO tokens. So I'll just stake 2 on each. So it will ask me to sign. So repeat the same process with validator number 2nd and 3rd. So once all the staking is done, now you might be eligible for an upcoming CANTO airdrop. If you have extra CANTO or you want to increase your chances, you can stake on other validators also, but we will recommend using just the top 3. If you want the complete guide in text format, you will find the link to our website down below. You can also join our Telegram channel if you want the latest airdrops on time before we even make a video. And if you want to participate in this airdrop using your mobile phone, you can check out our guide on how to do airdrops using your mobile phones. Also, if you want to buy CANTO token in a decentralized way instead of using a centralized exchange, you can also check out the guide below where we have mentioned the step-by-step process for doing that. Thank you for watching another Crypto Gold video.